Next, we will discuss how to use technology when integrating. While calculators like TI can be used for finding definite integrals, the more powerful tools were developed in the recent times for finding both definite and indefinite integrals. My personal favorite tool is Wolfram Alpha. Let's do the following example. To enter the problem in Wolfram Alpha requires the ability to type mathematics and may take some practice to get used to. But once the problem is typed, all it takes is the press of a button to get the answer. Note that Wolfram Alpha doesn't necessarily produce the result that looks the same as if you were to do it by hand. Let's do another example. We type the problem in Wolfram Alpha and press enter to get the answer. Let's do one more example. We type the problem in Wolfram Alpha and press enter to get the answer. Let's add the limits of integration to the previous example. To type the definite integral, we simply type from 2 to 6 after the word integral and press enter to get the answer. We discussed and practiced the use of technology to integrate any function.